Okay, now in this video, you're translating the table to the graph. Okay, so you see a cubed root, parenthesize where it stops and starts, and we're dealing with a cubed root, so we want to go 0, 1, 8, and 27, and then do the negatives. Okay, you don't have any operations to the x, so these are the numbers you're actually going to punch in. You don't have to add or subtract to them. Negative 3 times 3 second caret 20 parentheses 27, okay? Negative 9. Okay, go up, replacing 27 with 8. Delete the 7, hit the delete button, go over that and hit 8, okay? Negative 6. Now you're going to replace the 8 with 1. That's easy to do. Negative 3. Go over the 0. 1 with 0. Got 0. Okay, now the next number, the fourth one tells me if it's going to be a domain error. Okay? Okay, you have to reset it to do the negative. So negative 3 times 3 second caret. That means that negative 3 times cubed root is what that means. Negative, parentheses just about screwed it up. Negative 1, put the parentheses there. I got 3. So no domain error, so that means I can fill the rest of this out. 6 and 9. Okay, now the domain and range are all reals, okay? So 27, we're going to go by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, down 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? That always has an arrow coming off of it. Always, with all problems. 8, negative 6. Okay? So 5, 8's right here, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Connect it. Okay, 1, negative 3. So remember, I'm going by 5, so 1's right here. 1, 2, 3. Yep, I know it looks weird. 0, 0 is the origin. That's easy to graph. Negative 1, remember, by 5's. 1, 2, 3. Negative 8, 6. So right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 27, 9. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And you're going to put an arrow on that one. Okay. So that's how that looks. That's usually how a cubed root graph looks. Okay, next one, put a 2 there since it's a square. So what's that mean? It means the inputs are different. 0, 1, 4, 9. And then do the negatives just for the heck of it. Okay. Now parenthesize within, and now you're ready to roll. But you got a little problem. Up here you didn't have an operation. Here you have to have a plus 4. Because if you put 9 in, you're going to end up with screwed up answers. You need to minus 4. Okay? You do the inverse of that operation. 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. Negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 8. Punch them in your calculator if you don't know them. Negative 13. I think of it, the way I do it's like a number line, but if you can't visualize that in your head, that's why we have, I guess, a calculator. I don't mean that as an insult, okay? I'm just, some brains are wired different than ours. Doesn't mean you're dumb or anything like that, okay? You're dumb if you can't do it and refuse to do it on the calculator, okay? Come up with messed up answers, okay? So 4 times 2 second caret, and then parentheses, 5 plus 4, close it, and then minus 6. Okay, 6. Now go over your 5 and put 0. 2. Now you got to clear it, okay? Because you're into the negatives. So 4 times 2 second caret, parentheses, negative 3 plus 4, close the parentheses, minus 6. Got negative 2. Up, replace the negative 3 with 4. Negative 6. Okay, now some of you can do this mentally in your head. There's some of them. 5 plus 4 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. Times 4 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. I can't teach mental math in your head. Either you know it, you can do it, or you can't. Okay, it's kind of a God-given, okay, I think. Okay, and then 4 is 5. I know I'm saying that, and I taught a class in J term over it, but that's okay. Domain error. That's good. So first point, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You always have an arrow coming off that because you can put any positive for X you want. Okay? 0, 2. Okay? 1, 2. Negative 3, negative 2. Helps if you make them as you go. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Negative 4, negative 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I do something wrong here. 9. Sorry about the awkward pause here. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Sorry. 5, 6 would be up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is positive. Okay, so the arrow goes out that way. 0, 2's here. Okay, forget all that crap. Erase it if you got an eraser. Negative 3, negative 2. Go left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. There we go. Okay. Negative 4, negative 6. So left 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, after that, you got a domain error. So you don't put an arrow there because you can't keep going. Okay. That's going to happen on every square root. Every square root. Again, you always put an arrow off that point there. And then it ends here. That's an end point because you get domain errors on that. Okay. All right, not my best teaching. Sorry. Okay. So 2. But I don't want to restart the video. It's like 10:30 here tonight. Okay. It's a Thursday night. It's a Thursday night. I wouldn't spend Friday, Saturday doing this. I don't have much of a life, but a little bit more than that. Okay. All right. So X, Y. Okay. Square root 0, 1, 4, 9. By the way, on square roots, you should be getting the hang that these give a domain error. Okay. They do. Cubed roots, they don't, but on square roots, they do. Okay, so parenthesize within. Okay. You have no operations, so these are the numbers we go with. So 5 times 2 second caret 9, or just about did the no parentheses. 9, I want you doing that. Okay, 15. Okay, go replace your 9 with 4. That's really easy to do. 10. 5. I think you probably know what that's going to be. Just make sure. 0. Okay. All right, so graph this point first. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't be a wuss and go by 5s. Go by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Arrow off that point. I know you can't make it very long, but that's fine. 4, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 5. Go right 1 and then 2, 4, 5. Then 0, 0 right there. Now you're not going to put an arrow on that side because that's where I would start getting domain errors. Okay. All right, next one. Put a little 2 there, okay? Now we're dealing with a square root, okay? So again, square again, 149. But we know that the negatives in a square root give me domain. But now you got a little problem here. You have an operation, so you can't put these numbers in. You have to do the inverse of that. So plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. So 12, 7, 4, and 3. Okay, now it's ready to roll. 2 times 2 second caret, parentheses 12 minus 3, close it, plus 2. I got 8 for my output. Okay, clear a double digit, replace it with a single digit. You hit DEL, then go over your 1 with a 7. Okay, 6. And yeah, these do go in a pattern. 4. 3. Okay, so 12, 8, go by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arrow always comes off that point because you can enter positives in there all day long and not get a domain error. 7, 6. 1, 2, or sorry, we're going by 2s, aren't we? So 2, 4, 6, 7, then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 4. So 1, 2, so 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2. So 2, 3, 1, 2. Do not put an arrow on that one because you get domain errors with these. Okay, I've just illustrated that, and that happens anytime it's a square root. With a cubed root, you do all of them. Okay. All right, now fortunately for you, you don't have any cube roots. You got 2 problems. 0, 1, 4, 9. Put the negatives and then just delete them. Okay. You don't have to. 0, 1, 4, 9 is what you can put in there because you don't have any operators with it. It's a 2. 4 times 2 second caret. Parentheses 9, close it, yada, yada, yada. Okay, but you can do 0, 1, 4, 9. Here you're going to have 0, 1, 4, 9, and then the negatives down in your paper, but you got a plus 5 you have to undo. You're going to go subtract all of them by 5. So, for example, you don't want to put in 9. You got to subtract 5 from 9. You're going to put in 4. Okay, negative 2 times second caret, parentheses 4 plus 5, close the parentheses, plus 7. Okay, if you're having problems, let me know. It's only 2 problems. You can do it. Remember, arrow on this end. Okay, the first point. But you're not going to have it on the other point because those get domain errors because they're both square roots.